Hey guys, this is Selfie Style with Shoaib and Chirag
We give spontaneous on-the-spot reaction right after watching the film.
in Selfie Style.
Hey guys, what's up?
So we are going to watch Lali Ki Shaadi Mein Laddu Deewana. So we are just going and we are at the Chandan Cinema.
Yep.
And we'll watch the film and come back.
And then we'll be back and give the review.
Bye. Let's go. Oh, so we are back after watching Lali Ki Shaadi Mein Laddu Deewana. ये फिल्म
You start.
हाँ या आई स्टार्ट ये फिल्म सबसे पहले तो ये बताऊंगा कि ये फिल्म इस साल की 2017 की सबसे वाहियात फिल्म होगी. आई मीन लाइक इसको अवार्ड मिलेगा द वर्स्ट फिल्म ऑफ द ईयर.
Worst film of the year.
दिस इज सो बैड. इस फिल्म में कहीं से कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं है. यू नो द बिसाइड्स द सपोर्टिंग कास्ट के अलावा जो स्टोरी है वो इतनी फ्लॉड है. लाइक समझ में नहीं आता. हर कैरेक्टर अपनी स्टोरी बता रहा है और फिल्म आगे बढ़ती है फ्लैशबैक से.
Yeah.
हर कैरेक्टर का अपना फ्लैशबैक है. एक पॉइंट पे जाके दिमाग ख़राब हो जाता है कि इट्स इनफ मैन. और जब ख़त्म होता है तो यू नो द मेकर हिमसेल्फ इज सो कंफ्यूज्ड कि उसे पता नहीं होता कि वो किसका फ्लैशबैक एक्चुअली चल रहा था और किस पे ख़त्म हो रहा है.
Yeah.
फ्लैशबैक में फ्लैशबैक है, फ्लैशबैक में फ्लैशबैक है. यू नो लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी फ्लैशबैक्स or so many of stories like in a story.
Yeah. Extremely flawed, and what I want to say about this film is how like it's as if this director was stuck in the past.
Yeah.
The story, the way it's told, the direction is so 90s and 80s.
Yeah.
You know, the acting is so melodramatic and so over the top. The music is so boring.
It's really boring, man. I heard the songs are very good, but no, it's bad. Like the music is not at all good.
Yes, and
Not at all.
with all respect to Vivan Shah, you know, he overreacts. He overacts in so many portions. It just seems as if even the camera angles are so outdated. You know, where the
Yeah,
actor wo gusse se aise camera ki taraf, he goes to the camera and then he's back here, you know, and he's talking to you, but he's
Yeah.
looking at the camera. You know, different ways in
Yeah.
which the shooting style is so 90s and just so behind. There's no emotional connect
Not
to
at all.
any of the characters because, like you just said, you don't know when you're watching whose perspective, and you don't understand the motivation of each character. So many times we're like, why is he crying?
Why is he crying? Yeah,
Why is he
yeah.
crying? Why is he so upset? And
Yeah.
why is he laughing or whatever? So yeah, man, it's like a huge flawed film. I'm gonna go as far as to say that ever since we started this review thing,
This
I
was the worst
personally
film
think this
that
is
we
the
saw,
worst film
actually.
that we've seen
Yeah.
ever since we've started reviewing. We're being blunt here, but it's the fact.
It's a fact. फिल्म देख के समझ में नहीं आता कि why विवान is at all acting. Like he's technically good actor, definitely technically
Yeah.
good actor. सब फ्रेम में he's overreacting. Like कोई भी फ्रेम खाली नहीं जाता. He's just
Yeah.
smiling. The girl is smiling. The boy is smiling.
Yeah.
सारे defect कम किए जा सकते थे because of the lead pair,
Yeah.
you know, to highlight them. But the costume, you know, the style of picturizing them, everything is so like really bad, man.
Really bad and
it's
outdated
bad.
is the way to put it.
It's
Very
outdated.
It's like a bad 90s movie,
Yeah.
to be honest with you.
So no story. Story
No
is there, but
story,
it's
but
totally
it's
effed up.
It's the
It's
screenplay,
totally
the
effed up.
structuring, the flash
The dialogues are not good. The songs are
Nothing.
not good. And like, you know, the characters, they are not real. They are not
They're
real. The
fake.
characters are not real. They appear to be very fake.
Yeah.
They appear to be very fake. And the narration, the story style is very bad. It's too much of flashback, as I've told you.
Yeah.
If there is anything good about the movie, then I would say मेहनत की है अगर editor ने की है, you know those transition shots and all. बोला यार मैं तो कुछ कर दूँ.
You
तो
can do that on
those are
Final Cut Pro 10.
Cut Pro 10
but,
also. But yeah, थोड़ा सा उसका, you know, if you'll talk something positive.
Yeah.
Now what's the positive thing about this movie? No.
Yeah, and in fact, you said that the supporting cast is decent, but if you've seen Saurabh Shukla and Sanjay Mishra, they are great actors. But
Yeah.
compared to that, they've been really let down with this movie.
Whole
So
film is
comparatively,
wasted.
you might be like, okay, they're good, but compared to their potential, this film has really just hurt them in
Yeah.
a way, I feel.
Now in all, why? Why we are talking so bad about this movie? Number one reason, कोई भी अगर ये मूवी देखने जाता है, लाली की शादी में लड्डू दीवाना, you know that expectation, like what I was feeling कि लाली की शादी होगी और लड्डू would be out and out wacky and doing all wacky
Yeah,
sort
we
of
thought it would
things,
be like a very
and you know we
fresh
were looking
movie.
forward क्योंकि विवान suits for the role, but here इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट.
Yeah.
दोनों की शादी होती है. इट्स सो इमोशनली जबरदस्ती का इमोशंस,
Yes.
मेलोड्रामा. व्हाई देन व्हाई लालू की शादी में लड्डू दीवाना? वो दीवाना था.
So in one sentence,
Was he दीवाना?
But not at all.
कहाँ
And
से
in-
दीवाना
Yeah, in
था?
one sentence, basically they're promoting it, and it comes across as a fresh film of 2017. You watch it, and you're like transported into the 90s.
Yeah.
And you're like, what the hell? But so yeah.
So stars. How many stars would you give?
0 stars.
Give one at least, yeah.
Maybe 0.5 stars. They made a film.
I'll give 1 star
At the
to
end
the
of the
editor,
day.
you know, for the editor. And for the lovely title they have kept. Lali ki shaadi mein laddu diwana. But hope, like, you know, they make it again and, you know, really show that Lali ki shaadi mein
Yeah.
laddu diwana. Anyways,
Whatever,
keep
man.
watching
That's
Selfie
Selfie
Style.
Style.
We'll be back.
Like, share, subscribe, and all that jazz. Peace
Bye.
out.